Hi, my name is RJ.
And I'm Oleanah.
Today we're making sliders with french fries. And today's special guest is Declan. Hi Declan, are you ready to make sliders with french fries?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. Declan, you get the cutting board and knife. I'll get the potato, and Oleanah, you get the tomato and onion. And we gotta get knives.
The cutting board.
And cutting boards.
Declan gets his tomato. I get the onion.
So I'm going to be doing the french fries. Declan's going to be cutting the tomatoes for the sliders. And Oleanah would be cutting the onions for the sliders.
I can't do it anymore.
It's okay.
So what do I put?
Back on the plate.
You could put it back on the plate, Declan.
Declan's finished with that.
So I'm doing the potatoes slices like how you would buy french fries from a fast food store. I'm almost done. Lena's almost done. Declan, you want to do the meat after when we are finished?
Sure.
Okay, now I'm finished with the french fries. Hold on. There. I'm finished with the french fries.
This onion is really strong.
Escape Mr. French Fries.
Did you just say Mr. French Fries?
Look at that.
Where's the onions gonna go?
With the tomatoes.
Yeah.
I'll go start getting the meat.
Where does me go?
Put that on the table.
There?
Table. Let's put this to the side, I got that.
Okay, does everybody want to do two?
Sure. So just take one and then roll it with your hand into a ball.
And then make it flat. Like a pizza. Mini pizza. Not that flat.
If you mess up, you can try again.
Roll into a ball again.
Can you help me?
You want to try?
See, like that.
Yeah, just, you can do the rolling if you want. Yeah, let Declan do the rolling. Take one and you roll and then you give it to us. There. Okay. So now that we
So now we what?
now that we have finished the patties, you go get that into the oven and we'll start washing.
Let's go put it in the oven.
Okay, so we should start frying up the French fries while we're waiting for the meat to finish.
And the oil.
Declan got the French fries. The salt. French fries all have a little bit of salt. A fork, a plate with a napkin, a big one. Paper towels. And that is for scooping up the French fries. Let's put the French fries in. You can give that to Oleanah, because that thing's hot. I'll give it to you. Yeah, you put a big one in.
I do?
Yeah, go ahead, try. Good.
Just don't put your hands too close to the pan.
Okay, we don't need to splash the oil or it's gonna burn.
I think that's enough in there.
Yeah, that's enough. Pass that to Oleanah.
Hey, no, we can't take it out yet. We also need to flip them. Reggie, could you come over here and help me, please?
Okay.
We need to flip every single one.
I get the root.
You just fix them, right?
One potato.
Alright, here's this one. Okay.
5 potatoes.
Okay, start throwing some more French fries in, or potatoes.
How many to be cooked?
You save some for when we actually eat. Now let's throw a little bit of salt. Okay, so now let's see how the sliders and the French fries came out. First, take a piece of bread.
Grab one of these.
Yep, and next take a patty. Okay, if you want, you can take lettuce. And I'm gonna put some chutney.
Not mine, please.
And tomatoes for me.
A little bit of onion. Okay. Now let's see how it came out.
It's dripping out. That's really good.
Thank you, Declan, for coming on our show today. If you want to get the green chutney for your sliders next time when you make it, go to www.feedmechutney.com. Yeah, once you have the french fries come out.